Ready? We have egg, elephant and envelope. All of those words start with the same sound, sound. Let's practice saying the sound. Ready? Eh. Now let's say it to the floor. Very good. Can you try it with me? Well done. Elbow, elf, exit. Let's practice saying these words together. Elbow, elf, exit. Well done. Practice writing the sound in the air like this. Can you try with me? Well done. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.